All right, everyone, buckle up because today we're diving headfirst into the world of the dark web. Now, before you click away thinking this is some hacker-only zone, trust me, it's not. The dark web, despite its ominous name, holds a lot of fascinating corners. We're talking about a level of online anonymity you won't find on your everyday internet. And this is but it's a bit of a digital Wild West out there. You gotta be careful, you gotta be smart, and you gotta know what you're doing. That's where this video comes in. We're going to walk you through every step of accessing and navigating the dark web safely. First things first, if you want to access the dark web, you're going to need a special kind of browser. Think of it like this. Your regular browser, like Chrome or Firefox, they're great for your everyday browsing. They like to keep track of things, your history, cookies, all that jazz. But on the dark web, anonymity is key. That's where Tor comes in. Tor, or the Onion router, bounces your internet traffic through a maze of relays around the world, making it virtually impossible to trace back to you. Don't worry, it's way less complicated to use than it sounds. Just head over to the official Tor project website, download the version for your operating system, and install it just like you would any other program. Now, before you even think about firing up Tor, let's talk VPNs. Think of a VPN as your invisibility cloak in the digital world. It masks your IP address, which is basically your online fingerprint, making it look like you're browsing from a different location. This adds an extra layer of anonymity on top of what Tor provides, and trust me, you can never be too safe on the dark web. There are a ton of great VPN providers out there, both free and paid. I'll drop some recommendations in the description below. Once you've got your VPN set up, make sure it's activated before you launch Tor. Chapter 3, Onion links your dark web GPS. Okay, so you've got your Tor browser ready to roll and your VPN is all set up. Now, how do you actually find anything on the dark web? Well, forget about your trusty Google search bar. The dark web uses something called onion links. These are special URLs that only work within the Tor network. Finding these links can be tricky, kind of like finding a hidden speakeasy. You can't just stumble upon them accidentally. You'll need to find directories or forums that list them and be extra careful about which ones you trust. Chapter 4. Navigating the depths. Tread carefully. Now you're ready to dive into the depths of the dark web. But remember, this isn't your grandma's internet, it's a different beast altogether. First off, websites on the dark web often look a lot more basic, kind of retro actually, and don't be surprised if things load a bit slower. Remember all that routing Tor's doing? Now, for the love of all that is holy, avoid clicking on anything that seems too good to be true. Remember, this is the Wild West. There are legitimate reasons to use the dark web, but there are also a lot of shady characters lurking around. Stick to trusted directories and forums, and if something feels off, it probably is. Chapter 5. Stay safe, stay anonymous, stay legal. We've gone over a lot today, and I want to reiterate how important it is to stay safe on the dark web. Always use Tor and a VPN together. Never give out any personal information, not even your cat's name. And whatever you do, stay away from illegal activities. The dark web might seem intriguing, and it certainly can be, but it's not a place to mess around. Use common sense, be cautious, and you'll be fine. Outro, until next time, stay curious and safe. So there you have it, your crash course on accessing and navigating the dark web. It's a fascinating, albeit slightly unnerving, corner of the internet. Remember, the more you know, the safer you'll be. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button for more tech deep dives, and don't forget to share this with your friends. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.